the waste tank. What's going on, guys? Carpet cleaning training with Dreddy again, back at you with another video. As you can see, the stuff that we get out of carpet is pretty nasty. You know, from crayons, plastic wrappers, of course dog hair, Jolly Ranchers, M&Ms, you know, all that stuff that just cakes up. The hair from your head, the list just goes on and on, man. So it's so important to make sure that you do clean your carpet at least once a year. Yeah, you don't know what's in these carpets, man, and especially if you have pets, recommend you clean your carpets twice a year. So that's what comes out the waste tank, people. When we vacuum and we do the carpet cleaning, everything goes inside of this. As long as with the water, and you know it dumps out right there. Ah, boy, let's go. This. Whoa. Woo! Smells bad. Whew. So that's what we have, people. You got to clean that out every day, especially if you want really good suction. Having that filter clogged will cut down on your suction, so you really definitely need to clean it every day. Just like what I did, dump it out into the dumpster. Then I'm actually filling up right now. So that's one of the things we do in the morning. Clean your screens. Make sure you lubricate everything. You know, make sure you put in your water. Make sure you have every you know, all your tools, all your chemicals, anything you need extra for today. All right. Peace. I'm out. All right, so let's go put it back in. So look. So it goes right here. Bam. All right. Then I just got to put this on top of this, which I need 2 hands. So let's see. Let's see if I can prop you guys up somewhere here. Like this. Boom. Yeah. Now this has a vacuum seal. All right. Very important because you're dealing with a high pressure vacuum. Boom. There you go. That was it. So it's sure secure. This is the one that we usually use. And yeah, we're good. All right, guys, we out.